Hi Crafty friends! I'm going to reveal the Joy Xtra Wildflower Mystery Box. It does include a Cricut Cutie in mineral blue. Absolutely gorgeous. You know by now that everything you need for purchase or more info is in the description right under this video, including purchase links and discount information. Thank you as always for using my affiliate links. I do earn a small commission when you do, but it's never at any extra cost to you. So let's take a look at this wonderful mystery box. Here's the cutie in mineral blue. Gorgeous. It did release last week in the Hot Stuff mystery box, but if you missed it, here's a chance to get one. It's gorgeous. The back, you can see what a beautiful color. Super nice. So let's see what else is included. We have Smart Iron-On, 9.5 by 19 inch in silver glitter. Really gorgeous. As you know, even though these are called Joy Xtra Smart Iron-On, you can use it on your Maker or Explore machines. Just put them on a mat and they work perfectly. You can definitely use them with the larger machines. Then we have Smart Iron-On and Glitter Gold. Again, very beautiful, and 9.5 by 19 inch. Then we have Smart Iron-On. This is a 3-pack. Each sheet is 9.5 by 12 inch. You have a blue, a pink, and a Kelly green. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 3 sheets. Then we have 3 sheets again, 9.5 by 12 inch. Red, white, and black. Smart Iron-On. Aren't these gorgeous? We have Smart Vinyl, 9.5 by 3 feet in black. We have Smart Vinyl, 9.5 by 3 feet again in white. We have Transfer Tape. This is 9.5 by 20 feet. A huge roll of transfer tape. Terrific. And last but not least, we have a Cricut tool set. Wonderful. You can never have too many tools. So this is the Joy Xtra Wildflower Mystery Box. As mentioned, everything you need to know about purchasing is in the description right under this video. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. Thank you for watching.